A coin is flipped 3 times. What is the probability of 3 heads, 2 heads and 1 tail, any order, 1 head and 2 tails, any order, 3 tails? Okay, so when we flip a coin 3 times, we need to have a tree that branches 3 times. Let me show you. So we'll start here and we'll go this way and this way. So this is heads and tails. This is the first flip. And then we have the second flip. Heads, tail, head, tail for the second flip. And then we have the third flip. And that's head, tail, head, tail, head, tail, head, tail. Whoops, getting a little scribbly there. Third flip. So we have 3 flips all together. Putting this all together, the ends here, we'll show the equals, the results. So starting back here, we have head, then head, then head. 3 heads on the flips. Head, head, head. Next, just keep following the branching. Head, head, tail. So we get here with head, head, tail. So that's going to be head, head, tail, etc. We just keep following the branching. Head, tail, head, head, tail, head. And then the next one, head, tail, tail. Goes here. Head, tail, tail. And now I'm going to go to the second part. So now we have tail, head, head. Goes here. Tail, head, head. Oops. Tail, head, head. And the next one, tail, head, tail. Goes there. Tail, head, tail. And then tail, tail, head. Goes here. Tail, tail, head. And finally, tail, tail, tail goes there. Okay, so that's, if you count those, that's 8 different things that can happen when you flip a coin 3 times. So every flip is a new branching. So let's answer their questions now, for they have asked us some things. What is the probability of getting 3 heads? Well, 3 heads is right there. So that's 1 out of the 8 different things that can happen. What's probability of 2 heads and 1 tail? Any order. Okay, so that'd be 2 heads and a tail, 2 heads and a tail, 2 heads and a tail. So it would be 3 out of 8, wouldn't it? And now 1 head and 2 tails. So 1 head, 2 tails is here, 1 head, 2 tails is there, and 1 head, 2 tails is there. Any order, right? So 3 out of 8 for that also. Final question, 3 tails. Well, that's just right here, isn't it? 3 tails. That's just 1 out of 8. So there it is. When you flip 3 coins, or flip a coin 3 times, there's 8 different things that can happen, and you see it all with the tree branching.